Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And this is how the beauty of my village looks like. And it's all morning here. So I thank God for this fast. I see my project is continuing good and all stuff. So even uh, right now they were being kept bring some stone over here. And man, I have here my phone for my mama, guys. This I was being surprised, and then I'm trying to give my mama. And Shako get credit. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mom. So they came from the farm, guys. So I was putting there's some credit. So we put, and then you can able maybe to talk with other people. So I was putting her some credit on her phone. So guys, I thank God because I can't believe this maybe could be happen. And since I dig this toilet, it's like 1.5 months, man. So construction, it's so hard, and you must be patient and work harding, guys. I mean, so if you work hard and you be patient, honestly, things will be run smoothly, guys. Sorry, guys, my voice goes down, and it's because I wake up early in the morning. So this is how the yesterday works going on, guys. So you see they try to bring some stones over here, and I think today it might up ended, and I'm going to buy some off cut to cover this place here because it's a delicate, guys. Wow. So this is the foundation, guys. Maybe I will go inside. So let's see. Wow, guys. And all the time, God is good. God is everywhere, man. You know? Wow. Oh my God. Look look the foundation, guys. And I really love this mason because he measured, guys. Look, going up that way. Wow. And today's work, after finishing this part, I'm going to buy some off-cut. So I'm waiting the mason or the engineer of this toilet to be came and telling me how many off-cuts am I going to purchase and bring here. So I don't want maybe to purchase, maybe they want to say, oh, this is small, this is big. I'll go with him and choose by the one itself, and I bring to here, guys. Wow. Sorry, guys. Me, I'm always thank God, man, because it take a shape my construction here, and I hope the end of July, by God grace, I shall maybe I shall already maybe covered here, and I will continue it setting of blocks. I think so, and I'm not rushing things, but it's slow by itself. So if you harass, you might misleading something else. So you can see inside you put a motor, guys, and here it's all right, man. So after this will be completed here, you wanna arrange here some off cut and create some hole here, like 1 2, and then the rest is a washroom. So and the following maybe day, when I get maybe the money, I will buy some balance stone, and I'll start maybe cover this toilet on top, and it will look like this one here, and I will start setting of blocks, I mean. So let's go, guys. Wow. And it's deep. So okay, so that's the work of today, and They have already measured some sand over here, so they're waiting some mason to become or contractor. This one here, you have a spade, you have a wheelbarrow, but I'm borrowed from my neighbor, guys. It's not mine. Okay, so let's check our cow, and I will go to Nyabuhansi, guys, to see whether timber yard have already been open, and I'm going to check first, and then we came because the mason, they haven't came, so it's early here, you know. And it's remind me the time when I was a handman at David Junior's construction, but I'm not working on only David Junior's construction. I'm working for the several site, and if you are the handman and your mason choose you, you must work hard. You must wake up early in the morning, bring some materials to the site, and then all stuff. If you are lazy, because you became like 100 people need some job, and then by good lucky you get a job, and when you became a lazy one, next day your job is loses. So you must work hard. As you can see, that handman, they have already wake up in the morning, guys. Imagine. So in case you're new here, man, me, I'm showing you home. This is where I'm living, this is what I'm calling home, and this is my mama house, man. So let's see, the day is coming, man. Wow, the day is coming. Oh, it's a beautiful home, and I really recognize to be born and raised here. And here is my grandma home. Imagine, it's not a distance. It's just like 100 meters, not 100, around 70 meters. Imagine, this is my grandma home. This is my home here. So maybe it's a distance from my home to a grandma home over there. So from my home to my grandma home, it's just like 200 meters apart. Yeah. Oh, guys. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this video for today? Kindly give a like, and I really appreciate it, guys, you know. So we came to check our cows because my mama told me go and check the cow. So it's good. What's up? What's up? You good? This is how we do our cows. Hey. Wow. Very soon this cow will bring some calf, and then my mother starts milking. But what's up? Well, let's check another one. So it's good, man. You see, when the cow knows you, you can touch everywhere. What's up? Look. Yeah, it's okay. So it's good to check our cows, and man, you see how my mama, she was hardworking. Imagine, she working at my neighbor's land, digging, and then get payment, and then finally he bought that cow. And this cow, when my mother bought this cow, he was too small, and then he grazed them slowly, and then he became big, and then get back to that first cow that you see there, and then the next one, and we have the third one. It's a small calf, but a bull one, but it's feeling like it's so sick, you know. So my mama, they wanna call some veterinary to become a treat them. Wow, what's up? Yeah, guys, so you see our cows you can touch, even you can send maybe some kids to touch. And I came here to check my brother's project. Oh my god, where is okay? Let's check and see. Hey, this is my brother's project, man. So when you see the red one, it's already been burned, guys. Yeah, it's already. So they're waiting maybe time to sell it. And maybe if my blocks are reduced, when I have money, I could buy some bricks from here. So it can give me easy work to transport from here up to my site over there. Wow. Yadha kupasuria kokota hata itatoshi. Hai. Ili nje kutafuta pesa ninunue kokota.
Kokota lazima. Kama tabaki yenye tabaki hapa ni machache sana.
Chache sana. Ile msingi ni kubwa.
Ni kubwa.
Hey.
Naona tuita kidogo pia
Alright, guys. Let's go. This is my grandma home, man. Well, okay, they're putting there. So I'm going inside to my house and take some key and wear the jacket. So I want to go to Nyabuhansi. As I told you, to check whether the timber yard have been open, or the store of timber yard have been open. So I need to check the offcuts of the timber. Well, whew. Almost amazing, ma'am. So guys, let's clean because a chicken step here. Wow. So this is my motorbike here, and I thank God nowadays I have my own motorbike. So I'm clean it and I want to wash to Nyabuhansi. It's far from here. Well, try to imagine. And all the time I want to thank Monkey, wherever you are. May God bless you and add you many years. And also my audience, thank you so much because you're really supporting me. Wow, guys. This is my own motorbike here. I call it Lamborghini. This is a Lamborghini motorbike. It's a BMW motorbike. It's when you drive, man, it's overspeeding. This one here. This is a BMW jet here. So I do everything and it's time to leave here. Alright guys, so stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. And before that, I'm heading to my house. Guys, welcome to my new home. Hey. Even nowadays, I'm breathing the fresh air from inside of my house, guys. I can't believe. But when you be patient, honest, you know, and things start following you, guys. Wow. So what is this on the wall? I don't like any mark from the wall. And there is a time I'll take my day to remove some cobwebs because I don't want anything on this wall. Anything. Like this one that you see here. It's an insect. Look. You see, it's gone. Oh guys, so Stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, guys. Alright.
Our village here. So also we have here our guest from Kisumu.
Kisumu Dala.
Yeah. Milka, African princess Milka. Yeah, go support her. Also me, I has a YouTube channel. Support me. And also when you come from mine, German machine team Marwa, you mean congrats mom to take a 40,000 subscribers. Imagine.
Hey,
yeah.
Smiling machine,
Yeah.
Imagine. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we thank God for the gift of life He has given us. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. See you next.
Okay. Asante, congrats mom. Sawa mom.
Well, guys, so let's check my project. Hey, iko sawa?
Itapatikana shoka kusudi.
Shoka iko. Hata ikiwezekana weka tuweke hivyo.
Lazima hapana.
Kuna ingine tena
Sasa
kwa
si
samba pale tena kubwa.
Eti nzima?
Tukipasu itakuwa sawa ili atoke kama manne halafu tuone tena tupate wapi ni.
Tena kuna ingine kubwa. Mama na tutakuja kwa yeye.
Let me close here, guys. Walibeba.
Nafikiri iko kule.
Mukiri? Hiyo.
Kumamba kabari kutumire ari mura yari tu sasira kaba manche kateku kato. Sasa ninge gata mili kumi bitiri bai mukiri batene no. Siboni ra yari nyori umo. Yomba tebirinto. O moho yango ri kugemu.
Wala kimutari mukundiki.
Ya mwisho ha. Moho yango kono kore kwete hai kukateme ye no yari mwisho.
So guys, my mama Shona telling me that yesterday the rain was being too much here and it misled one bag of cement and it has some particles in other way. So let's see. I'm heading this. What on them? Oh, so. Okay guys, I'm heading this way and I need to check some trees which they wanna put down. Asa mawe yameisha. Hey. Itapigwa wilibaro ngapi? Ni kama wilibaro 5.
5.
Tunafika hata 9.
Oh guys, so let's see, there's some trees here, over here. So they want to be cut into down and split this trees into pieces. Lakini fundi, si utakati iko sawa?
Hiyo iko sawa,
Itapasuliwa? Okay, they try to split this. Okay, I want to split this one, and they will come with some foot to measure, so to arrange on the toilet, and then off cut will be full on top. Hey, go. Mbuyande go. Takunywane han. So guys, let me greet my grandma. They're asking me, why don't you greet me? So I'm just telling her, since morning I was not around. I'm running up to Border Town coming to congrat, coming to my site, man. During at night when I'm sleeping, I feel like I'm tired like a goat. So, here you go. Ati ama abantu here. Yes. Alright guys, that's my brother's project. So I greet my grandma. She wanna ask me, where are you since like 1 week? Because of time, man. I wake up early in the morning, I go to look for my daily work, and I forget to greet her. But when I get some time, I greet her. Okay, asa nienda kuona asa masato imangapi? 10.
Masato? Ni kama 10. Kama yana urefu wa futi 10.
Sijui kama ile vipingiri wanakataa kwa miti kibaki. Itakuwa ni futi ngapi hivi?
Sasa sijui. Kama yana futi 10 yatatosha.
Au mamiti?
Haya mabaya.
Ai.
Mafasi ni futi 10.
Mhm. Hi. So guys, I'm heading to Nyamuhansa again to look for the offcuts of the trees, and then they will arrange. So try to imagine, since morning I didn't take any breakfast. Like right now it's the time of lunchtime, I didn't take anything. But I hope my son, they have already taken breakfast. And mom, buy lunch. Yes guys, I'm not blagging things. My mom have already bring, and we remain with this one bag of, this is a half of cement. So my mom have already brought some lunch for the mason guys. I'm not blagging things. Wow. This ugali. And here we have sukuma wiki guys. Alright. Yeah, that's my mom guys. So my toilet have already taken a shape. Even you can tell me in the comment section. So I think from here up the far end it's around because here it's 4, so let me say it's around 8 feet from here up to Dawi. So I'm going to bring some trees, no offcuts, those trees which I've already shown you. They're gonna split into 2 pieces. Mama afu ambiwa toe ngazi humu. Yes guys, there is some ladder here. There is some ladder guys right there, so I'm telling my mama they make sure they mason to remove this because I was not around here guys. Wow. So me, I didn't have any time to take food because I need to make sure that this toilet have already been covered, or to be covered by some timbers here to be safe. Yeah, even guys, try to imagine the whole night I didn't sleep because simply because I think that maybe like daytime things, all people might fall inside, get injured, or animal. So when it's covered, at least man, I will sleep for sure. Well guys, so let's see. Hey, join like Mungu. Huh? Hi.
Hello. Simpaka. Sasa hii si nicho. Eh. Hii si mudi. Uramo mesege bono uramo nyebu dikundiki.
Guys, I'm working for the balance stone to be covered here on top, and it's almost 14,000 to buy some balance stones. So in order to cover on this, and maybe the remaining one, I will keep it, but not too much will be remain. Like a half. Yeah, I think so. Wow, guys. So imagine it cover from here with a balance stones. When I'm saying a balance stones, is things look like this one. This is a balance stone. So I need one tramper to cover here. Uraisa vibange mura. Uso subire kama nja unayo. Tebango ra agribukim. Pono taka nyomontu mura. Ndera saba. I'm telling that man to be served alone. So when I'm saying the balance stone, guys, I mean this one. So I need like one tramper. So it goes to 14,000 because one tramp of stones is 7,000. That's almost 660 USD. And this one, because it's small and it can go to a tramper, so many. And then they sell at a high price, almost 120 USD there, because yeah, I think so. So in order maybe to be covered here, and I've already have cement, sand, and I'm thinking about on this stuff here that you see, guys. Fundi njoo mure. Acha niende nyabanse nione. Yeah, guys. Unaomba gomba. Catholic. Guys, if we are Catholic, you have already know. So anyways. Guys, sorry. So I'm heading to Jabohans right now. Oh, well, guys, no time to waste over here. Oh. Guys, interruption, but I was taking a control, maybe a reverse and all stuff, guys, but it's good to go, man. So I didn't have maybe the cameraman or my driver, so here to go. I needed to check the off-cuts, guys. Well, guys, so I'm the one who take control, and I'm riding at the same time I'm vlogging, so a little bit, and I'm showing you where I'm heading to, guys. Some goats here. Hey, man. Let's go, let's go. Today the weather is so conducive, man. Hey, hey. Wow, guys. So here we go. Well, guys. So that's how I'm struggling, holding the camera, riding a motorbike, going to the Bohanse to do all stuff, man. But I see I'm trying, and I thank God for this far, because I see some huge progress in my projects, you know. All right, well, guys. Woo. Hey. Wow, real life in village here. And this is how I'm vibing on my village here. Let's go. Boom. We reach at the point between the Bohanse and this entire village here. The road, here we go. So we almost to where my sisters land here. Wow guys, this is a church. We call Maranatha Church. Let's go. This is where my sister land, guys, over here. If I'm not wrong, guys. Here. Wow. Yeah, wow. Wow, guys. Let's go. I'm just recording myself here. Don't mind. Oh guys, and you must be very careful. Yeah. So I'm Nyabohanse, guys. Oh. Wow guys. So let's go. Kids are going back to school. All stuff you can see. Okay. This is what we're calling Nyabohanse to the world. Over here. Wow. Man, this is what we're calling Nyabohanse to the world. Fish. Let's go. Wow guys, so I must visit the Arobi garden. Here we go. Can we say hello? Can we say hello? Hey guys, I must say hello to Arobi garden over here. Say hello.
Hello, what's up? Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. Unanimulika kando. Mulika yes. Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. I'm Robbie Gar, and guys, I'm here at my shop. Yeah, so guys, keep supporting Hello Baby official, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Robbie Gar. Yeah, the village Gar.
Yesterday I saw your videos.
Yeah. Actually, Boss Mara was at my home with Rocio. If you have not watched that video, go check it and
Nice. Cool.
and subscribe. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to promote me, buy anything?
I'm not a lady.
You're not ready. This is not for them. You used this for men. For men, actually.
And me I used navy.
Navy. Hey, you can buy soap now.
For what?
For bathing.
To be honest, this one.
Yes.
No, this is for making your face to be smooth.
No. These are it's like a sour soap. That's called imperial soap. That's called many of them. I can't remember because I'm not using them. And this one we have the rice soap. Yes. Yes, even you can buy glycerin. Is here.
Jamani, acha niende kununua mbao.
Unaenda kununua mbao. So guys, go subscribe to my YouTube channel at Robbie Gar.
Oh guys, I'm saying hello to Robbie Gar, guys. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm just here. Choosing here. Yeah guys, so I'm looking for the off-cuts. Sawa. Nitole na ile miti uro. Yo. Idne. This guy is gonna take home. Iriko sawa.
Chokoro.
Eh.
Sisi tuko kazi.
Guys. Ai.
Acha toe tinga hapa.
Sasa unajua itukutuku kama mkija huwa. Alright. So let's check guys. So I'm just over here. This is a tarmac road. Okay. Haya. Papa. Beba. Sasa para na inaenda nyumbani.
Muti.
Kwa ingine wiki.
Eh, you're a belly. You know.
Sasa takawaiki.
Two. Chokoro, wewe unataka masato.
Kabisa kipo. Unaona kabisa.
Ukiona vipi tukutuki bebe kamu. Hai. Karambe kiora mukore. Weka hata iko sawa. Hata hii. Amata, hii achana na hii. Weka hii.
Nataka kuweka hiyo. Hii ni nitoe hii ama ni sasa?
Weka tu iko sawa, mimi sitaki tu. So guys,
Lipi hili?
ile ni mti.
Ona hilo. Hii ndio hii.
Okay guys.
Manche.
Okay guys. This is material that I was waiting here. Haya tamba wala tekea tu niko hamasi usitawaya tamanya kwa.
Unaingia mimi hapo bwana ngura.
Labda ambe nitende kuingia sio ntana chuma. Kwanza tu
emetegere.
So guys, the offcuts that have already been bought, so they came to cover here, over here. So maybe you can step, and I don't want maybe some issue over here, guys. So let me show you my offcuts. I'm not blagging things, so they have already bring for one trip, and he went for another trip. Oh man, it's so late here. So since morning. And man, I'm chewing sweet. Don't mind. Me, I'm not the guy who blagging things, so I must show you live. So the offcast which I was bought in Nyabohanse, it's over here. So he went for the next, and this one I bought around how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're remaining with 4 at Nyabohanse and 2 posts like this one here. So total number I bought around 1,200, and plus transport is 1,600, man. So this one that you see here, and so I'm waiting him to pay some money. So he went for the next, or for the last trip. So I think I could end my video here. And tomorrow morning I shall show you how my toilet take a shape. But right now you could be able maybe to see it's already take the shape, and it's raining here. Since morning I wear the gumboot. You can see. Wow guys, so I wanna say guys bye bye. Let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow guys.